welcome to our experiment. I am Melis Karki from Grade Emerald. We will show you what you learn in our mathematics. We learn multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. I am discussing the subject. We use multiplication in our daily life like counting groups of objects easily. Morning apps are only right diamond multiplication never solve
Good morning, I'm Abhinav from Grade 7. In front of you there are numbers of things. Please pick anyone. Please paste it on the computer.
Alex.
6 दा त 20 हो है 6 दा 20 नि कति हो
36.
यो मेरो मिल्यो 5 25 हो मिल्यो